Hello, welcome back guys. Today in this tutorial we are going to show you how you can easily remove the fence from the picture in Adobe Photoshop CC. So here's the picture and we are just going to work on that picture and you can see it's a very difficult photo at the moment in front of me and I'm just going to work on that picture. So first of all, let me show you the comparison picture on which I go original and the like you can see the resultant picture. So here's a picture and you can see on the left side is the original on which we are going to work on the right side there's a resultant, and I tried 2 to 3 times to get this perfect result. So on the just without wasting any time, let's start the video after this intro. Okay, let's start a video. First of all, just make copy of the background layer and just rename it copy and just make a new layer. Okay, on that layer we are just going to work and just select the brush tool and just make like a regular size and just make the size as you want to brush, and make sure your foreground color is black and also make sure your hardness is 100%, and the brush you have to choose is not like soft brush, it must be the hard brush. Okay, so now we are just going to paint over all that stuff and all the fence. So I'm just going to paint over it very carefully and you can see we have to work with the patience, so we can, and then we can get the perfect result. So now I'm going to fast the video, so just stay with me. Yeah, I'm just doing carefully because I'm just recording the video and I don't want any, like you can say, any error or any like now I'm going to just resize the brush and now I'm going to paint over this this stuff. I'm just going to fast up the video, but recording after recording this video. So now I'm just going to paint over that stuff like a fence, and I'm just doing it very carefully, and it took me like half an hour to complete all the all that stuff, and I have to paint over the picture. So now I'm going to fast up this video, and it's a 14 minutes video, like 20 minutes video, which I just covered up in like 20 seconds. So you can see how fast it's just going. Just stay tuned with me, and when it's finished, let me tell you what to do next. Okay, now it's completed, and now we have to just take a look at that, and now just press Ctrl and a mouse click on the layer, and it will select all the paints, all, and now go to select and modify and just expand it to 8, and like 8, number 8, you can see is depend on you how much expand you want the selection, and now just select the copy layer and now go to the edit and just select the content aware fill. Okay, and just wait for a few seconds. I'm going to fast up the video to save your time, and just stay on a video, and now you can easily say it like perfectly clean all the fence from the picture. Now wait for a few seconds more. It's just going to like apply. Okay, I'm just deselect the selection and just wait for that, and now again select the spot healing brush tool and just paint over, like mouse clicks, and it will remove the remaining part, like the remaining black dots here. I'm going to again fast up the video so we can save more time as well. You can see how like easily it's going and it's look so smooth when it completely done. So now you can see everything is removed, and it's perfectly removed, by the way. And let me show you the uh, difference between the original picture and the worked picture, like on the resultant picture on which we worked. So now you can see complete, no one can say that there was a fence on that picture. So okay, thank you so much for watching my video, and make sure you subscribe to this channel